Alright guys, today is Saturday morning. I think it's around 9:30. Today I got invited up to a martial arts class up here in Astro Park. I'll put their name up, their link to their webpage down below in the description. But anyways, I got invited up here to a martial arts class up here in Astro Park. These guys practice up here every Saturday, 9:30 to about 12. So that's what's going on today, and we're going to do some filming here of these guys practicing the martial arts. All right guys, so like I said, we're down here at Astro Park right now, and I'm here with Arnold. Arnold, you want to tell us a little bit about your school here and what you guys do down here at Astro Park?
Sure. Every Saturday we stay here. By the way, I'm Arnold. I'm from Palasan Eagles, Eskrima. We are the foremost Army's group in Pampanga. So we practice here every Saturdays and sometimes Sundays, depending on the student's schedule. What we teach here, it's pure Filipino martial art. No mixture of any other art, just Filipino martial art. Arnis, if you know Arnis, it's the stick fighting system of the Filipinos, but it doesn't end there. We teach empty hand techniques, self-defense for law enforcers. By the way, we train different people here. Some of our students here are policemen, some are retired Air Force personnel, some of us are telemarketers and public school teachers like I'm a public school teacher. We teach different people from different walks of life. We teach what is needed to survive an attack in the street. By the way, for the lineage, because that's very important, we come from the lineage of Tatang Ilustrisimo, and then he taught two students, GM Tony Diego and GM Yuli Romo. GM Yuli Romo's student is our grandmaster, Master Jaime Quijana. So that's our lineage.
Now I have one more question for you. My question is, because you got a lot of people, you have a lot of expats here in Angeles City and all over the Philippines here. Your advice to them without training, what would your advice be to them if they ran into some type of life-threatening situation on the street? Somebody was going to rob them, somebody was going to stick them up. What would your advice be to them?
Without any training? Without any training. Okay, if you can escape by just simply running, run. Because that's the smartest thing to do. Fighting is never a smart thing to do. You only fight when there's no way out. I mean, if you get killed, then you fight. But if the guy only wants your money, give your money. If you can run away with your money in your pocket, run away. Now, if you're in a sticky situation, like there's a knife in your side, just give the money. Once the guy gets his money and his focus shifted from you towards the money that you handed him, if you can escape, run, scream for help, do that.
There it is, guys. Give up what you have. Don't be a hero. Don't be a gangster. Go home alive. Yeah, that's the best way to go. That's right, because the money, you can earn it back. Right. If you get stabbed or you get slashed on the neck, that's a different issue. You can't buy a new neck, Right. All right, guys. So yeah, like I said, if you're here in Angeles City, Saturdays 9:30 to 12, come down, check them out, participate if you want. If not, just hang out and learn. These guys will teach you everything you need to know. All right, guys, take care. All right, guys, I'm going to introduce you to some of the students here, and they're going to tell you their names and where they're from. That way you can meet some of the students here.
Hello, my name is Tony Hondo from Savannah, Georgia.
Hi, I'm Jojo Dizon from San Fernando, Pampanga.
Okay. Hi, I'm Vic, and I'm just from around this corner, and I'm a long-time member of this group, Palasan Eagles, and also considered as a core member of the group.
I'm Yanga, I'm from Mabalaki, and I just started studying because I thought this is really important.
All right, and here's the newest student. Can you tell us your name and where you're from?
Hi, my name is Luisa. I came from Floridel 1, Angeles City.
guys, yeah, as you can see from his class, there's just a mixed variety of people here. There's young, there's older guys. One guy is from Georgia, so he's United States representing. It's got some women in it, and of course the new student who is right over here, Lodi. She's enjoying it. So yeah, like I said, you guys, if you're in the area, come on down, check them out.